Minorities Rights Day is celebrated every year in India on December 18th, but minorities have been subjected to second-class citizens in the country. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said the fascist Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party regime is relentlessly implementing RSS ideology against minorities in India, and its discriminatory policies have pushed Indian minorities to the wall. Meanwhile, Kashmiri leaders, including All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter leader Ghulam Mohammad Khan Safi, member of Azad Kashmir Assembly Abdul Rashid Tarabi, Chairman World Forum for Peace and Justice Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, President World Kashmir Awareness Forum Dr. Ghulam Nabi Mir, and others have warned that continued denial of UN promised right to self-determination to the people of Jammu and Kashmir could bring both India and Pakistan to the brink of nuclear annihilation. Addressing a seminar in Istanbul, they said Kashmir is a political issue that needs to be resolved through talks between India, Pakistan, and the leadership of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. They said the presence of a record 9 lakh Indian troops has made Jammu and Kashmir the most dangerous place in the world, and for the sake of international peace and security, world powers should intervene and resolve the Kashmir problem once and for all. APHC-AJK Chapter Information Secretary Imtiaz Wani, in a statement, has strongly condemned the confiscation of houses and other properties of Jamaat-e-Islami and freedom-loving leaders and activists by Indian agencies. Federal Minister for Poverty Alleviation and Social Safety Shazia Mari has said that Pakistan is a responsible nuclear state, while some elements in Indian media are trying to create panic. Shazia Mari, taking to Twitter, maintained that Modi is promoting extremism and fascism. Chairman of Dogra Swabhiman Sanghatan Party, Chaudhry Lal Singh, has said that BJP, which stormed to power on the slogans of good governance and accountability, has literally deprived Jammu of all its resources. Addressing to a party meeting in Khor, Jammu, Lal Singh said that the territory had been dismembered and reduced into 2 union territories, something unseen and unheard in the history of India.